welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting video for myself because we're going to be eating Mexican candy. We're going to be trying it out. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a whole bunch of like Mexican candy and whatnot. So before we get started, I want to invite you to hit that subscription button so you become part of my YouTube family if you are not yet part of the fam. And also thumbs up the video if you want me to try out maybe other kinds of candy. Ooh, this hair though. Maybe trying out maybe like, I don't know, Korean candy or like Chinese candy or like Arab candy. I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of these kind of videos. I saw this video go around. I think I saw Rockstar Teresa and I was like, damn, I need to film that video because I'm Mexican and I love candy. So yeah, some of these candies I have never tried in my life, so I'm excited. I am really excited. Before we get started though, I just got back from Walgreens, and did you guys know that they had the Cheetos in Chipotle Ranch? And they're fucking bomb. Like, I did not know. I did not know. This is like a new thing, new flavor. I don't know. But I have my bag here full of Mexican candy. So first things first, when I pull them out, is these two bags of chips. So we're gonna start off with these. These are the Ruffles Queso. Más Queso. Yeah. These are the Ruffles Más Queso. These are actually from Mexico. This is how they look like. Packaging is really different. And let's open them and let's try them. I wish I had like someone else here with me so they can like try them too, but they're really good. I don't think I've ever tried these ones, but they don't smell so much like patas, like the ones that they sell here in the US, but they're good. Alrighty, so up next I have the Cheetos Flamin' Hot. And I remember when I went to Mexico, the chips have like this thing here. And I think like it's like a coupon kind of thing, or like, I don't know. It's like the Amazon Mexico, and I guess you can win some spectacles or Subway or like $15,000. I don't know. It has like a whole bunch of like things that you can win. And these are the extra Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Let's try these out. Let's see what they taste like. They taste a lot like lemon, even though they do not say lemon nowhere in the packaging. But they're actually really, really good. I'm excited. I'm excited. So far, so good. I'm liking what I am seeing. Okay, up next. God damn, this is spicy. Almost choke. Okay, so up next I got some Lucas Salsagueri. This comes with, this is actually pretty fucking bomb. If you guys haven't tried this, this is actually really good. So let me show you what it is. So it comes in like a little plate like this, and it has the like, they look like worms, and then it has a packet of sauce here. This packet of sauce you're supposed to like put all over the, I think they're called escuincles? No, I don't know. Where are my scissors? Oh, I lost my scissors. Okay, let's just open it with the dedos. There we go. Let me squirt this all in here. Oh my gosh, this is something else. Where can I put this at? Okay, so there you go. You have the mixture right there. And I guess you're just supposed to like eat them like this, I guess. These are actually really good. So these are the salsagueri. Oh, so it's like spaghetti. It's like watermelon spaghetti. And it has tamarindo, and I believe it has chamoy too. But these are so good, you guys. These are actually pretty well. Let me know if you guys have tried any like Mexican candy, or what is your favorite Mexican candy. Like, what do you like? Ooh. The thing with Mexican candy is that it's sour. Like, everything is so sour, you know? Alright, so up next we have the famous Pelón Rico de Tamarindo. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this like once in your lifetime. If not, where have you been? This looks like this, and then we're gonna take off the cap, and then this you're supposed to like press it. The fuck? You're supposed to like press it, and it's supposed to like squirt the shit out. I never pressed it though, because I don't know. See how it's not like coming out? So what I like to do is I like to open it. Oop, there we go. So I like to open it, and there you go. All the product. I feel like I'm talking about makeup here. So all the like the thing is like in there, but let's try this one. This is something that I haven't tried in a really long time, actually. This is like so sour, and like I can't deal sometimes with Mexican candy. I feel like it's just too much for me, you know? Okay, so up next I also got these two. I don't know what it is about either this lens or like something, because I feel like this lens moves like the camera around, like it moves. I don't know, am I just crazy? Okay, so up next I got these two. These are the Lucas Gusanos. This one is in the flavor chamoy. Chamoy is actually really good. I love chamoy with like hot Cheetos or something like that. And then this one is tamarindo. So tamarindo is really famous in Mexico. So let's like squirt some out. Ooh. Oh, is this runny? I cannot do this. Let me try this one out. Let me see. I don't know which one's sour. Which one's sourer? Like, which one's more sour? Okay, up next I got the Pulparindo. This one, it says it's like made with like real fruit. I don't even know. Let's try it. And the red one, they have different like flavors. There's like a watermelon one, there's a tamarindo one. I believe this one is like a chamoy, and it's like a fruit, what do you call those? Like the fruit strips, like I forgot. But you guys know what I'm talking about. Oh, my stomach hurts. This one's not that bad, but it kind of tastes old. That one tastes like old. I don't know. I'm not even kidding you guys. I don't think I've ever tried this. Let me see. I don't like this. It doesn't taste sour, it doesn't taste sweet, it just tastes like nothing. And this is supposed to be a spicy and sour candy. I don't think it's spicy, sweet, or sour. Okay, let's move on to something more on the sweeter kind of side. I also got the Duvalines. If you guys have not tried Duvalines, this is my favorite one. No, there's actually one that has the red one. The red one, not... not red, definitely not red. It has pink, white, and then the chocolate one, like strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Ooh. I don't have the spoon to like swirl it around, so I'm just gonna. It is really good. It tastes like hazelnut cream, you know? This I really like. This one is a mazapan. If you guys do not know, mazapanes are like super famous in Mexico. And this is like a, how do you say cacahuate in English? Peanut. This is like a peanut candy. And like the thing is like not to break it, but I always break mine. I always break it in half. But it's like a, I don't even know how to describe this. How would you guys describe mazapanes? I don't know. But let's try it. I mean, I've tried this before, but it's bomb. It's actually really good. I feel like the mixture of like all those candies, like I'm gonna get diabetes by the time I'm done here. I'm like licking everything. Okay, last but not least is a rocaleta. This used to be my thing back in the day. This is actually a popsicle or like a lollipop, and it has 4 layers of chili. 4 layers of chile. That's what it looks like. Ooh, nice and fancy. And I know this one stains your tongue like really red. I really like this. Even though it's like, I feel like by the end of today I'm gonna be like, this is gonna be my face for the rest of the day. Yeah? I don't know. Alright guys, and that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing me squint throughout the whole video. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.